How to log in or create account for Centenary Bank. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can log in or create account for Centenary Bank. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. In order to log in to Centenary Bank, you can simply head over to your browser on your device and search in for Centenary Bank login. Then you can see the very first link that says Centenary Bank login. You can tap on it and you'll be headed straight to the login page. All you have to do is enter in your login details and you'll be good to go. However, if you want to register a new account, then on the login page, instead of login, you want to head over to the register option that you'll get there. Now it's not loading up here, but then you want to go ahead and enter in all the necessary details and you'll be able to register as well. So this is how you can easily log in or register for Centenary Bank. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.